Hello and welcome to the Ken Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition we're looking at New Jersey Turnpike regulations such as NJAC 19:9-1.3. Many people get these Turnpike or Parkway tickets. They say, oh, this isn't a different kind of ticket, so I can just plead guilty and not get points. But that's not true, because almost all of them, it's either 2, 3, or 4 points. So, for example, the NJAC 19:9-1.3, failure to obey traffic control device, that's 2 points. And for some people that have commercial driver's license or already have points, it would be very difficult possibly for them to keep their job. Other people, their insurance would go sky high. So before you plead guilty to Turnpike regulations, talk to a certified municipal court attorney. Typically, we make it easy for people who call the Vercammen office. We'll email them a short questionnaire. They type it up. The attorney calls back and says, this is what we can do and what we would recommend. For more information on violations in New Jersey, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.